Welcome to Emammy Group of Schools.
Every step we take, every road we choose, learning lessons, growing like a rose. Through laughter and tears, we find our way, pursuing dreams, reaching for the day. From the peaks of joy to the depths of night, we find strength in shadows, we shine so bright. Each challenge faced, each victory.
Good evening, my name is Caroline Kamanu, a facilitator at Emammy Group of Schools. I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Kelvin, who took his time to take us through the retooling program. It has been such an informative session, and I'm sure that everyone who was present has been impacted positively, not just for a classroom setup, but also our general conduct.
To embrace life, to live it all with open hearts, we walk this path, finding joy, making it alright.
A special thanks to our directors for organizing the session. It has helped us enhance our skills, and now we have gained different approaches in teaching.
In life's journey, we're never too stern. From the darkest nights to the brightest days, we find hope, we find our ways. With every breath, we find our voice. In life's journey, we find our choice. Life's journey sweet.
Thank you, and we highly appreciate.
No need to move. In the quiet moments, we hear the call to embrace life, to live it all with open hearts. We walk this path, finding joy, making it alright. Through storms and sunshine, we find our way, learning, growing every single day. In every moment, there's a lesson to learn. In life's journey, we're never too stern. From the darkest nights to the brightest days, we find hope, we find our ways. With every breath, we find our voice. In life's journey, we find our choice. Life's journey's sweet, life's journey's true. With every step, we break through. From pain to gain, sincere to love. Life's journey's ours, no need to move.